everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional pastry chef. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक इंडियन फेस्टिव कुकीज दैट इज नानखटाई. नानखटाई एक ऐसी कुकी है जो सबको पसंद आती है, which is a combination of besan, Sooji, icing sugar, all-purpose flour and good old ghee, also known as clarified butter. So let's start the recipe. But before doing that, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को इस बोल में सेव कर लेंगे, starting from all-purpose flour. Followed by besan or gram flour, Sooji or semolina, icing sugar, cardamom powder, and salt. Now in this same bowl, we'll add ghee and mix all the ingredients with our hands to get smooth dough. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारा डो तैयार है. अब हम इसे 30 ग्राम्स की बॉल में डिवाइड करेंगे और इसे थोड़ा सा फ्लैट कर लेंगे. We'll place them in a lined baking tray. And place chopped pistachios on top of each cookies. Now we'll bake these cookies in 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. If you're liking this video, then I'm sure आपको हमारी कराची बिस्किट की रेसिपी भी पसंद आएगी. Link for which is in the description area below. So our cookies are out of the oven and has completely cooled down. I hope आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. And if you like this recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. And I'll be back with another incredible recipe. Till then, keep baking.